Okay, so here we are in the laundry room, and we chose jeans to go first into the laundry. It doesn't matter, however you do it in your house is fine, but it was a pile that I could pick up in one load and get started. So lots of things going on in here. We can talk about the washing machine itself. We have to open it, right? We have to get the jeans. We have to put them in. Lots of great core words here to practice. Now remember, if your child can't go through the entire steps of doing the laundry, that's okay. You just want to start with one thing and then build them maybe to a second skill and a third until they can do it independently, or at least participate through the activity. So we're going to get our jeans and we're going to put them in the washer. And then there's lots of things that go on, right, with getting the washer started. We have to open where the soap goes. We have to get our soap. I have a measuring cup for my soap, so we can talk about how to measure, and it talks about the different levels. And so you can instruct your child how full to fill it. We're going to pour that into the washer. I leave my cup in the washer to wash it out. However you do it is fine. We're going to close the door and we're going to close the lid. Now we've got lots of knobs and buttons and settings. If your child is ready for that, then you can talk about that. Kids like to push buttons, so it's okay to give them some instructions. You can just give them point prompts, like here's where we start, and they can touch it. If they're able to turn, you can let them turn. Turn is a great core word. We're going to turn, these are jeans, so we're going to just turn it once to the right setting for jeans, and then we can push start or play, as my washing machine says. So funny. Let's play. And we're ready to go.